Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you had a beautiful weekend or a beautiful day. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a gentle hip opening yoga session specifically for beginners. I'm going to start by sitting upright and stretching our obliques side to side. Beginners, you're welcome. Get comfortable, get a mat or get a space that simply suits how you like your practice. We're going to start with some half pigeon on the right hand side. And beginners, in half pigeon, you want to bring your right knee in front of you and the soles of your feet facing the left side. This works perfectly if you're a beginner, but if you want to advance it, you can bring your elbow down or walk your whole body weight all the way down on the mat. And beginners, half pigeon is that pose that opens up your hips and your groin. So guys, we're going to switch over to the other side on the left hand side, bringing the left knee in front of us and all the way down, opening up our chest. Beginners, this is a perfect place to start, especially if you don't want to put too much body weight on your knees. Again, you can either decide to bring your elbow down or you can either decide to stretch all the way to the forearms. And half pigeon is very good if you're trying to get your splits, your middle splits, your front splits, your side splits, whatever kind of split. I would advise you to do more of half pigeons. Now guys, we're going to go to wide leg fold, which is a hip opener that will open up those groin and all the way down to the glutes. Adjust yourself as needed. Beginners, if this is too hard for you, you can actually place your elbow on top of your thighs while stretching out and taking those deep, gentle breaths. Inhale and exhale as much as you can until you go flat in straddles or in pancake. Now guys, remember the pancake is a bit advanced and it's not compulsory that you can do this on your first practice. But just like we always say on this page, you have to do the work. If you practice more, your muscles will obey you, your body will listen to you only if you do the work and practice. So guys, wide leg forward fold, it's a very good pose for increasing the flexibility around your hips and around your glutes. So guys, you can go flat in pancake like this, or beginners, you can come up and adjust yourself as much as you need. Take those few breaths and adjust yourself, and we're going to come all the way up in front split. But before we go to front splits, we're going to try half splits. So in half splits, my left leg is in front and I'm bringing my head and just showing my left knee some love. The right knee is on the ground and I am stretching the left hamstrings. After doing it for 2 to 3 times, I'm going to switch to the right hand side, showing more love to the right knee. Now guys, you might think, what is this thing I'm doing? Guys, our knee serves us so much and we don't even regard it. So guys, once in a while, give yourself a tight hug, give yourself a kiss. It's going to help your body obey you more. And now guys, we're going to go to the ultimate hip opener that I like practicing, which is frog pose. And frog pose is that pose that can really open up your groin, because frog pose works exactly with gravity. You know, your hips are open, your legs are at an angle, and it makes the pressure, the weight of your body to go all the way down to your hips. So do more frog pose and you release those tensions around your hips, and inevitably, it will help you open up those hips as much as you want. What I just did here is called half frog, where you release one leg in a split position and the other leg is in frog pose. In this case, my left leg is in split and my right leg was in frog. After a few minutes, I stay for like 20 to 25 seconds and then I switch to the other side. The same thing. Don't run away from the pain. No, don't run away from the pain. The pain is always going to be there, but you can actually absorb it and you can actually make it better. So guys, after doing half frog on both sides, we're going to go to full frog, where we're lifting up our chest and allowing our hips to open up a little bit more. After that, we're going to close up and go all the way to trying the front split. Like I said earlier, we're going to take it slow. Beginners, you don't have to go from all the way down. You can try half split and seeing how far you can stretch. But if your level is intermediate or advanced, then this front split is completely okay and suitable for you. Beginners, you will need to do more practice, but I'm just showing you this video to see that you can do it. Nobody ever was born perfectly shaped to be this flexible. Every single thing takes time. So allow yourself to practice as much as you need. Allow yourself, give yourself grace to work, to do the work, and then see how far your body goes. Guys, we're going to balance it on the other side. Don't be those people who only have flexibility on their right or on their left, and then the other side is left to be alone. Make sure you balance it on both sides. You have 2 legs, you have 2 hips, you have everything doubles on your lower body. So make sure you stretch them. Now guys, we're going to finish up in this forward fold where we're stretching, lifting all the way up, grabbing our legs and just lengthening out the hamstrings. Now guys, you can do this seated high boat or you can stay in the forward fold, whichever one you like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.